Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to explain what the arrows on the RCA cable mean on your T1 EVO. If you have the standard version of the T1 EVO, you very likely don't have the arrows on the cable since the cable is already pre-installed. It is already pre-installed onto the turntable and you cannot detach it. Although for the T1 EVO Phono and T1 EVO Bluetooth, you get the cable included and it is a directional cable, which means its best way to use is to use it in the correct direction. Now, I will unplug the cable to show you that. So give me a second. Now, as you can see, I have the cable right here. And there are the arrows. The arrows are pointing in a direction where, in which the sound should go. So if it goes from the turntable to the speaker, or from the turntable to the preamplifier or amplifier, or whatever, then the arrows should be pointing at that next device. So this goes to output, the side, the back side of the arrow goes to the output, to our turntable, and the arrow is pointing to the input, which is our preamp, amp, or speaker. So in that case, since I am using a T1 EVO Phono with the preamplifier built in, and I am utilizing that preamp, then I have a speaker, which is an active speaker, so it has an amplifier built in, and I'm also utilizing that. Then I'm just plugging in the turntable directly into the speaker by connecting the side which the arrows don't point to. I'm connecting it to the speaker, to the turntable. Like so. Then the other side, with where the arrows point, is going to be my speaker. But of course, if you have more devices in the middle, like the preamp or amp or whatever else, then of course you will also need to take that into account. And just like the closer to the output the device is, the closer to making the sound the device is, that's where the arrows should point to. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.